bago-bago pa na ako dito, shocking talaga. Kasi ang pasalubong sa akin, talaga baha, maraming mga basura. Kasi yung area na to ay flood-prone area talaga. Kasi yung likod natin ay yung river yan. At ang area din natin mababa. So, hindi man binabaha yung paligid halimbawa. Pero dito, konting ulan lang, babahain talaga dito. Okay? So, nung paghabagat lalo na, at malakas ang tubig dyan, kahit walang bagyo, ayun, madalas, pumapasok ang tubig sa eskwelahan. Yung room ng mga bata, pinapasok din po yun. Pinapasok yung mga rooms na yun. Pero habang lumalakas ang baha, kakabahan na kami yan, kinakabahan na kami, yung mga bata, ayan, yung mga teacher, nag-aabang na rin sila inaabangan na nila yung tubig.
Abot baywang ang baha sa ilang bahagi ng Quezon City matapos bumuhos ang malakas na ulan kagabi. Sa Betty Go Belmonte Street, isang lalaki ang lakas loob na lumusong.
Go Belmonte Elementary School, since the start of its operation in 1972, used to be flooded because it is the catch basin of Girayan River, where our school is situated. Originally, the school site was then swampy, but they told me that it gradually get worse. And the last was when 2018 Habagat hit the area, when it reached the elevated SB Hall, first floor with more or less 6 inches deep. The construction of SB Hall as well as the SB Auditorium already followed an elevation. There's already an elevation of 2 meters from the natural ground. On the part of the barangay, of course, they are the ones who provide us the assistance in times of floodings. The instructional materials of all the teachers are kept safe and secured. The service areas like the ICT room, the library, the guidance and records room, including the museum, Betty Go Belmonte Museum, is already situated at the second floor of the buildings.